We just went to Hobby Lobby, which I thought was gonna be a lot funner than it was. It was not that much fun. We did not find what we needed. And my dream is to build things with Casey. And Casey's always been like, I don't want to do that. And I get it. And I just realized it would be really hard to try to build things together.
Why? Because you think your way's the only right way.
No, I don't. I know my ways are messy.
No, you know your ways are the right way.
I know my ways will work. I know there are smarter ways of doing it. But you want a quick way.
Anything outside of what you think is right is not right.
That is not true. What did you feel like that about? We're trying to build basically a jewelry display.
This is where I'm at. This is where I'm at with building little dumb trinkets like this.
It's not worth your time.
Just order it. Just buy it.
But then, like, what's the fun in that?
You don't have to which we didn't go to Hobby Lobby, we went to Home Depot.
We're going to Hobby Lobby to see if they have one.
You don't have to go to Hobby Lobby. I hate going to Home Depot because it's always like, I know in my head what I need, and I try to explain that to somebody, and they're like,
well, we don't know the right words.
They never have exactly what I'm thinking.
We did find boards, and we found like a Lazy Susan.
We found wood at Home Depot, guys. We did good.
We found wood. I also found round cutout like wood signs. I mean, I'm sure they're used for a bunch of different things, but if I wanted to make like a bigger sign, I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby. They're very nice. So anyways, we're gonna check at Hobby Lobby quick, see if they have something, or at least something that I can make into something else.
You just keep saying we went to Hobby Lobby. We didn't go to Hobby Lobby.
I keep saying Hobby Lobby.
At least 3 times.
Really? I meant Home Depot. They both start with an H. Very different stores, but you can see how I could get confused.
You think they have one of those spindles here, or do you think they just have
I think that they might. I think we look at the jewelry stands, and then we see if they have those spinny spindle things. I just don't trust that, though. It seems so, like, flimsy.
Why?
I don't know. We'll see what they have. Maybe at least we'll be closer to our goal of not ordering the stand. The stand that Casey found is like $200. $150. Hobby Lobby was much more successful than Home Depot. We found some wood that will work. It's very cool. I'll show you later because it's still in the car. Casey's going to get the kids. We decided not to have the stand swivel, that it will just be easier to build a stand. And I think it's going to look really good. We still do need to find some hooks. Is the only thing. I think that we looked at hooks there, but I think I'm just going to try to order some off of Amazon or something, because I also need to order a bunch of keychains. Keychains? You know, not keychains. The thing. The ring. The keychain ring. So after looking up and down every aisle of Hobby Lobby, I just said I'll order some. Also, I did a vlog while we were there because Casey's always in a hurry. It's so funny how different we are. I am very like, take your time, look at everything. And Casey, no matter what we're doing, I know like obviously I would enjoy Hobby Lobby more than Casey would, but no matter what we're doing, Casey is always in a hurry. He walks so fast, and I'm so opposite of that. I'm always just like, la-di-da-di-da. So it's really funny that we're so different in that way. I think it's good though, because you know, it's a balance. I have like 500 keychains to make, so I thought that maybe now that we've gone through all of the like looking here, looking there, and trying to figure things out, that I should actually make the keychains. The basic design of the keychain is the same, but I've made a few adjustments, like the key ring on the keychain. The keyhole, is that what it would be called? The keyhole thing on the keychain needed to be a little bit bigger. I couldn't get the attachment ring to go around it, and it's a little thicker because I want it to be durable and it wouldn't wrap all the way around. So obviously it needed to be bigger, and I knew it needed to be bigger because I had adjusted the size. We also moved the hush onto the actual antler instead of the background, and I made that a little bigger so that it's a little more clear and I can get a little more pink shoved inside. So that will be great. Now I just need to cut some out and make sure that we're happy with how it looks before I cut out 500 of them. I'm really excited because I got some new acrylic, which made me so excited. And even though we're only doing certain colors, I did order some more colors so that I can make some more things, and I'm really excited about it. So anyway, I'm going to show you, I'm going to get this cut out, and then I'll show you what it is that I'm doing instead of just talking about it. Let me see. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be vlogging right now. I am very distracted. Ready for dance? Yeah? All right, where's your shoesies? Let's get some shoesies on. Hello, Rossi. Hello. Hello, cutie. Hey, cutie, cutie. I need a bigger workspace. Look what I'm doing. I mean, I need a bigger workspace, but I'm just going to do this to it. I put this here. It's a disaster. This is working fine. It's fine. I do need to clear this off so that I can put the finished products over there, and but it's a little bit of a mess. Casey just made the jewelry stand, the keychain stands, and I'm gonna go and look at those too, but he just finished dinner, so I'm going to head up there. I did fix a few problems that I had with the keychains. Everything is cut with the laser, so it has black on it. And so I went downstairs and got a strainer out of the kitchen, and now I'm just putting all the acrylic pieces in a strainer and then going and washing them, and eliminated that problem, which is fantastic. Also, I did get tape to put on the back of some acrylic. I like it because it's a little easier, but I don't like it because it's not gluing the tips of the antlers down. So, just don't know. The ones that I have already cut out that have the tape on the back, I'm just going to add a little glue to the antlers, and then I think we will be good to go. Also, I had to adjust the size of the antlers because I just feel like they're a little too thin. Casey thinks they're fine though. I'm being very particular. I feel very stressed out. But, I mean, I have things everywhere. But we're gonna take a break. You're vlogging too, but we're gonna take a break and go have some din-din. Oh, Layla, your iPad is looking fantastic.
Okay.
No, it's not.
The first ever broke was that.
Yeah. So what happens when you drop it and you don't have a case on it? You know? Okay, ready to eat some dinner?
Look good.
This looks fantastic.
Well, it's in my comfort zone. I don't do lamb a whole lot.
I know. Nice. I grew up eating lamb. We actually just talked about this today. But my grandpa was a sheep herder. So lamb was something that my family ate often. And I didn't realize that it was weird to other people. But I guess that makes sense that it would be. But we rarely eat it. I wonder if like the little ones have even ever eaten lamb. I guess maybe at my mom's.
Yeah.
A few times, but we actually requested it. I can't remember if it was this Thanksgiving or the last Thanksgiving.
With the rack of lamb, okay?
That is different.
How great is a piece of meat with a handle on it?
Right?
I mean, it's hard to beat.
I love
You want one of
that.
these? These are called meat lollipops.
Yeah.
You want one of these? You don't? Just some steak?
Yeah. I mean.
And some rice?
Okay, I need to see the keychain stands. That looks great. Gage
They're
brought it
over
up.
by the
It looks
door.
really, really good.
Pretty crap.
I'm really happy with the direction that we went and what we decided
This
to
is
use.
fun, Dad.
How
But that's
cute.
not the down.
I think these turned out great. They look so good. So we just found these boards at Hobby Lobby. This was one, the top was one, Casey cut it in half, and then the bases were separate. I mean, no, they're not close to the same size. I was gonna say they're pretty much the same size. They're not. The bases are smaller. So we're just going to add hooks. Don't. Oh shoot, though. Casey wanted me to, we were gonna engrave on the boards with the laser. And we're not going to be able to do that with them. I don't know. Maybe we can figure out a way. Probably. Anyway, that looks great. I'll show you when they're completely finished, but I'm very happy with that. I think mostly because of how it was going that day, that just going with this simple little stand is perfect. Hey, we were going to laser on those.
I'm going to take them apart.
Oh, you are? You're going to sand.
I want you to engrave them, and then I'm going to stain them. Or stain them and put them back together.
Okay.
With glue.
Okay. Where are you off to today?
Utah. Salt Lake.
Gage, where are you off to today?
We're going to the honey expo.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm
You go
really
help with the
tired.
booth? Yeah.
We're going.
We went to bed late because we were
We're going to
making
the
so many
park.
keychains. I was up until 4 in the morning.
I was dead.
Why?
Should have came back upstairs.
Yeah, you should have. I had to take over your job. My fingernails are trashed.
Mine aren't because you do it wrong.
Well, listen. It takes me longer to do it your way. I use my nails as tools. Gage uses tools as tools. Which is smarter. It's just for the looks. Your back is itchy. Okay, I'm gonna miss you, but we'll see you tomorrow. I like your hat also.
Yes.
Is that mine? Is it in? Oh, Well, I just think that I wore that when I was with Dad.
Yeah, I stole it from you.
You're cute.
Guys!
I don't think that I remembered to show the display, but I'll show it when we get down there. But here are so many keychains that I made yesterday. I have a bunch more down there. The thing that is hurting my fingernails is, one, putting the keychains on, especially these tiny ones. That really hurts because you have to open them. I didn't do like the single ones that just clamp together because I was worried that they'd fall apart. And then every single one of these pieces is covered with tape that I had to peel off. And again, that hurt my fingernails. So open it.
You
Do you
could
like all the
just like
colors?
slide it.
Well, but you have to open it to like get the piece in there. So.
Guys, it's my 100-day party.
It's Layla's 100-day
But
party.
it's not the end of school.
It's not the end of
It's
school.
still freezing.
Yeah, it is freezing. And I'm gonna help today, so I will be at Layla's school. I'm excited. She picked out 100 stickers, and they're very, very cute. Yeah, there's 115.
Can I use some Fruit Loops?
Yeah, there's another box. We're also taking some Fruit Loops. Not these ones. You can't eat these ones. Nice try. We also made some cupcakes. Cute. They're little hearts. We made it down to the expo. Look who I found. Oh, there he
Hello.
is. So this is very cool. It's very big. Now we're just taking everything. Well, I'm not taking things down.
Yes, you are.
I'm including myself in this. They're taking things down, but it was a very cool piece. So I'll kind of show what it looks like, although it's being taken down.
Guys, do you want me to show you something I learned?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow. Good. Look how huge this is. So wild. Look at the children over there. Little cuties. Yeah. Good job, Layla.
Take that shirt down.
It's so big. It's so wild. What are you doing? Of course my camera died. Anyways, we'll get back to the There's Logie. They're so big. Some more stuff over here. More clothing items here. There's a cannon over there. Hush is giving this away. I think I showed it in the vlog when I was out with the guys. This is the stand that Casey and I made. These are the keychains that I have been working on.
Together.
That turned out so cool. How's it going?
Good.
Winston's been down here all week helping. Good job, buddy.
I'm tired.
You're tired, yeah. You guys are busy.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind.